Hi guys, welcome back to the lecture series of Pediatrics. This would be our lecture 1 in this series, and today we will cover topics such as odontogenesis, calcification, tooth eruption, developmental problems, trauma problems and how that can happen, assessing pulp vitality and what you should do in such cases, space maintenance issues, and a fluoride supplemental chart. So let's get started. So the first thing which I want to talk about is the primary teeth, their initiation, eruption, and calcification sequence. So initiation occurs in utero, and that usually happens, in the four weeks. For eruption and calcification sequence, according to the Palmer nomenclature, they have like a good mnemonic how you can remember. So I hope this helps. For eruption sequence,